Hi dear students and welcome to my tutorial. Today we will learn how to extract DNA using the help of the fruit kiwi. So let's come forward and see what are the materials required in preparing our kiwi DNA. The materials required are 2 boiling tubes, a test tube holder, a sieve, chopped kiwis, mortar and pestle, our DNA solution, that is the salt with soap or dish liquid, an empty beaker, and we are going to try using 2 chilled alcohols, which is isopropyl and one is ethanol. They have to be chilled. The first procedure is going to be to crush your kiwi in the mortar and pestle using the DNA extraction solution. Now we can stop the video. After crushing this mixture, you need to sieve it in an empty beaker. The leftover solution will be taken and poured into a tube. So this is your solution and we will enter it into the tube here. So I'm going to use 2 tubes because one we are going to try with ethanol and one we will try with isopropyl alcohol to check which alcohol helps us to get more DNA. So after placing this, we will now take ethanol, which is the chilled one, and pour it in a slanted motion slowly on the solution and let it to settle down for a while. The second one I'm going to use using my isopropyl alcohol. Again, slanted position, and let it settle. After settling it for a minute, we will see how does it look like. After keeping it for a minute, we can see that here the DNA has been collected in the ethanol solution very quickly, whereas in an isopropyl alcohol it takes less time and it's more cloudy to see the DNA. So it's much preferable to use cold ethanol in order to extract the DNA. This white part which has been come in here, all this is the DNA. We can try to scoop it out using a forceps or at least our stirring rod and try to gain control of it in order to get it in the hand so that it is easy to move it out. As you can see, I'm trying to push it out. This is all the DNA of the kiwi. So this is the way we can extract DNA from any types of fruit. So if I have used kiwi, you can use any other type of fruit like banana and strawberry to get good results. And remember to use cold chilled ethanol. Thank you.